Now my eggplant. Look at my freaking eggplant, and you see like all these holes here. Poor things. And you see these like little black dots. Wait, these are flea beetles, and they get on my nerves. The only problem, yeah, I need to spray some more neem oil. You see how many flea beetles are on here? Yeah, so all these little holes here are because of the flea beetles. And I've got like the sticky tape stuff to, well, it's not tape, but the sticky whatever to put. Actually, I might feel better putting them around here. So I got it for the flea beetles this year when I was sort of paying attention to the garden. I was using neem oil, and that, you know, kept them off for a bit. But, you know, not enough, because they are like going to town. They're like going to town on, yeah, on my eggplant. But, like, I was reluctant. Look at all these flea beetles. Man, it's a ton of them. Goddamn flea beetles. Okay, you know what? Yeah, this I got to take care of. This I got to. I can't. No, okay, garden, I'm back, and I'm paying attention. I am sorry that I have neglected you. I am so sorry. Goddamn flea beetles. They all over the freaking place. Oh my God. Okay, anyway, but I was reluctant to use it because like I have like a lot of birds back here, and I was like, oh, I don't want like a bird to like, I don't know, come in for some kind of snack, and then they get caught in the sticky tape, and it would just, you know, it would hurt my feelings if, you know, I put something down and like a bird got hurt. So I've been reluctant to use it, but I'm gonna figure out a way, because me and these flea beetles, we won't, we can't, we're not anymore. I'm back anyway.